Yeah, my people. Just trying my device out. So the Zoom is much better. It's like it's better than my phone. Really, it's way better than my phone. Yes, my people. I gotta fix my stuff though. I gotta fix this thing for 1 minute. Actually, I know what I can do. See if that work a bit. Today is a beautiful day. It's been raining for about 3 to 4 days straight. So when it's not raining today, the sun just blasted out, man. The sun just come out in full force. And mind you, it's winter. But right now you would never feel the difference. You can never tell. The sun come out nice. I'm jumping on Highway 1, going down to the drive, JJ Bean, the most famous drive. Some punkers just don't know how to get in. Yeah, beautiful BC. So when the sun out, everybody come out in full force. Test run to see this video work, but it does work. It's way better. This is Highway 1. Yeah, Vancouver, look at that. This place becoming skyrise central, especially Vancouver. And that's just a piece of it. That's just North Burnaby, South Burnaby. subscribe to my channel, Flint Food and Adventure. And you know, the help would really appreciate it. Try to grow my channel from scratch without any help. You know, I don't want an ex-blogger to help me. I don't want to do this by myself. I mean, everybody needs help now and then, but it all depends on the person. I don't want no help. I just want to grow it and see if I can grow my channel by getting good content. So this is the adventure part. So I gotta do whatever I gotta do to get that content. We could get off here, but no, we could get off at first half, but no. I want to get off at just around the corner there. Way better. You know? Been there one time too many, so let's change up the pace. Sunny, man. It's sun, and today's Monday. Then Monday the 13th, I think. Don't quote me on that date, but I think it's the 13th today. Aston, that's the street I want to come off at. Alright, people. Now I'm gonna make a left on Aston. Aston Racetrack on the famous playland. And it's on your right, playland and Aston. Horse racing. Playland closed right now. This is playland right here. And so I'm just, oh, it's all blocked up. Wow. It's all blocked off. I don't know why, but I mean upgrading again as usual. Playland make money and then I stop upgrading. People, I would really appreciate you guys, you know. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and subscribe, comment, and saying all those good things. Yeah, alright. I don't know why you stop in the middle of the road. Gotta be stupid. The guy, see him get the green light. This man stopped in the middle of the road. In the middle. You see me pass him just now? He stopped right in the middle of the road like him have no idea what's going on. And the lights are green. Holy. Come on, idiot. stop right at the green light. It's in his head, it's like in his head the light said red, but it's not red, it's green. Alright people, they're easting. So we're heading to Commercial Drive. Here from New Westminster to Easton, about 15 minutes drive really. You look, all these buildings you're looking at in front, it's all downtown Toronto, downtown Vancouver. Let me say, almost at Toronto. No, this is not like Toronto. This is better than Toronto, man. We have lots of hills. That's the only thing I know. We have lots of hills. Big hills to climb up. Look at downtown. The whole thing, 9 yards of it. Look at that. So beautiful that place, people. You can see that in the stretch around it. I'm not going that far. I'm turning off right by this light. This is Commercial Drive. And I'm not going downtown. Downtown is more hectic than anything else. I mean, I don't know where these people find things, but there's a lot to do downtown. I agree. Lots of girls, man. Lots of women downtown, man. College girls, you know, rich people. Some of them snobby as hell because they have lots of money. All right, people. Yeah, boy. Now we're on Commercial Drive. I just need to fix this road, though, really. And patched up so much. I don't get what these people doing. This is the famous Commercial Drive you're talking about. They're raving about it. You know why? Because Commercial Drive is packed with... It's a multiverse here, man, Commercial Drive. You have every restaurant there is you can think about on this drive. Without you have to go downtown. So you have all these rich people downtown. They have to come on Commercial Drive to find some of the best restaurants. Right along, right down to until you hit Broadway and 12. And them start to upgrade that with more restaurants too. So, yeah, man. Commercial Drive, man, the famous drive. So I'm testing out my iPod. Use it as a camera. The camera on it is much sharper than my phone. I got to upgrade my phone. Alright, so when I get my upgrade coming to me, I want to get a GoPro with it too. From the same network provider. Every year, you know, me and my brother, we kind of upgrade the phone every year or every 2 years. Once the phone once you stop getting update, then we'll update the phone. When your phone not getting no more update from Apple, that means your phone need to be updated, upgraded. Yeah, my people, this is the famous commercial drive. I always want to make a video on this drive. I was wondering, when am I going to get the time? If I come off at the highway First Ave, this is First Ave right here. I could have come off at First Ave and come right down here, but I want the tour. I want the tour to make people see. And the drive is packed with people right now. Look at it. The drive is packed, man. The sun is out. After 4 days raining, this is what happened. Because when it's snowing in Toronto or on the outskirts of BC, in Vancouver, it actually rains. So if you're in Whistler and you're getting snow, then it's raining in the valley. Okay, Vancouver is in the valley with mountains surround it, right? So, yeah. And I'm turning at the next light. No, that's JJB. That's where, you know, when we're not working, we like to hang out. Then everybody, 99.9% Caribbean. And anywhere Caribbean is, they have always entourage. Trust me. There's always people following. Thank you. Commercial drive, the big drive. Yeah, man, this is the drive. All right, my people. I can see everybody here. They're all here. All right, my people. Please like, share, subscribe to Flint Food and Adventure. Big up yourself, my people. Send one love.